In this video, I'll show you how to recover your Messenger account without using Facebook. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app and log out if you are currently logged in. On the login screen, tap Forgotten Password at the bottom. Enter the phone number or email linked to your Messenger account. You'll receive a verification code via email or SMS. Choose the method where you'd like to receive the code, enter it when prompted, and tap Next. Once verified, you'll see two options: log out of other devices if you want to sign out from all other devices, or keep me logged in if you are certain only you are logged in. Select the desired option and tap Next. Now, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Enter a strong and memorable password, tap Next, and you're all set. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.